Thank you, Bishop. Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Daktari William Ruto, Your Excellency, the Deputy President, mpendwa wetu Rigiji, Her Excellency Susan Keheka, viongozi wote ambao wamefika na kanisa lote kwa jumla. Bwana Yesu asifiwe. Bwana Yesu asifiwe tena. Thank you. Your Excellency, we as the Akorino youth, we greet you in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ. We are also grateful for according us this opportunity to be with you. Your Excellency, we express our deepest gratitude for the job position provided to us as a Akorino community. This far, you have generously bestowed upon us 30 National Youth Service positions, 5 KDF Ranger positions, and 5 Director roles. Thank you for your unwavering support and opportunities for our community. Your Excellency, we have witnessed your commitment toward the youth of this country by various projects, e.g., the affordable housing, online opportunities, the TVET institutions, environment conservation, etc. In this, we support you. We support your good government 100%. Your Excellency, among ourselves, we have pilots, engineers, architects, accountants, designers, and other professionals who are not employed. We kindly request for your consideration. Your Excellency, as you consider our youths for opportunities in the military, we are kindly requesting that they be allowed to march in the parade and also work well. They are wearing their turbans as a sign of our identity, as it is in the police service. Your Excellency, as a nation we are humbled for your effort and contribution toward the international job opportunities. As a Akorino youth, we are requesting to be considered where such opportunity arise. Your Excellency, on behalf of the Akorino youth community, tunakushukuru sana kwa mengi ambao umetendea wanalika, wengi wamesoma, wote tuwapatiana mikononi mwako. And on behalf of this youth, I request to surrender this document unto you. Nikikubalika Mheshimiwa Rais. Thank you.
Etwatheke-ini mugambo wake ugutwetare
tukahuruke wendo-ini ucio imwega wa Jesu na nĩ wendo mwega utagũrĩkaga coka rĩu mũndũ mũnogu kũrĩ wendo ũcio.
Mheshimiwa Rais, kwa ruhusa yako ningetaka niite